Discovery Mall. I haven't been here in quite a while. And it's at the southern part of Kuta, Bali, made in Bali up there, Bagus Watch. And we're just gonna take a walk around it a little bit and kind of show you what it looks like. Stay tuned. Okay, so Discovery Mall in Kuta, Bali. So we're gonna kind of check out and see what we can see here. iBox. Made in Bali. Flipper. Okay, so let's walk down. I think there's a kind of a central mall part, but this right here is the kind of the main street right here. So we'll see what we can come across. I think later on we can go inside a little bit. So yeah, Discovery Mall in Kuta. I think these might have been one of the main gates right here. Is it closed now? Could be. Huh. Or either that or we're not quite there yet. I think this is kind of, let's get on the cooler side of the street. McDonald's right there, so it felt like it was kind of near it, but let's go across here. Skateboards. So now we got, we'll go all the way down, and I think the next one over there's Yoshinoya, which is a Japanese fast food, kind of beef and rice, billabong. Oh, there's a gecko just went right up that way. Missed it. Okay, let's just see. Be slow. Hey! Alright. They really like that. I think it's funny, Westerners always find the camera really, they react really funny to it. Okay, in general, people in Asia, they don't really think one way or the other, that I've observed. But people from Western countries, they really make silly faces, and they just find it. Hey, how's it going? Oh, Viagra. Wow, okay.
Chip.
That's all right. I don't want any, but thank you. Bye.
All right.
Okay, let me see. So we have a whole shop in here, and we're going to try to go around this way, like that way. And I think that one is Pizza, Yoshinoya, McDonald's. So I don't know if we're at Discovery Mall or if we need to go down a little further. Just walk down this way a little bit, and then we'll come across and see.
Hello, yeah.
Hello, how are you doing? So we're gonna keep on walking down, and I think Discovery Mall is straight ahead. Hello, Apakabar.
How are you?
Very good. Bike,
Yeah.
So, yeah. Hello.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah.
Apakabar. Hello. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down, and we're kind of in the Kuta area where we're near Discovery Mall. So let me just kind of see. So I don't know if that the one past us is where we're supposed to go, or if we keep on going down. I think it's coming up maybe at the end. But whatever it is, this is a street where you can buy Viagra. So I guess maybe a little bit of a sex district, maybe, I guess, as well. I'm not sure. Let me see. Independent Day. How are we doing? Abakabar. And so, Independent Day, and we got water on Kuta. So we're just kind of going, hello, Abakabar.
Baik.
So okay, let me see. I think we're gonna keep on walking down, and then I think Discovery Mall might be all the way down to the end. Big Indian restaurant here. I'll have to check my map in a second and see. I think we might have passed it even. Okay, I'm gonna check. Okay, so we're gonna kind of show you. So I guess we were on Jalan, Bakun Sari. So we basically walked down that way, and Kuta Discovery Mall is quite a bit further down. So Discovery Shopping Mall is down further. I thought we were kind of in it, but apparently not. So I think I'm gonna do is just kind of end it right there. Okay, it's that Bubba Shrimp. We're still I'm gonna continue down to Discovery Mall, and we're kind of getting a little series of restaurants as well. Bar Grill, and we're just gonna keep on walking down, and we're gonna get all the way down to Discovery Mall, and then we are gonna connect the two, put them all together, and have another video for you. Bali Garden Beach Resort. It's pretty nice actually. Bali Garden Beach Resort. I don't think I've walked down the street before, but I have walked to where we're walking to. I think I've walked down here before a long time ago. This street looks different, or I went to it in a different way. Another Mexican Club Havana with a Mexican chili. Huh. And salsa. Got a big mix of stuff. You got salsa, which is more like Colombia, Cuba, Mexico. So it kind of has like an all Latino thing. Warung Damar. Sure, a lot of stuff down here. Let's see how we're gonna get through here. Looks like there's some running water on the spot. Over. Oh, the fountain. Overran the fountain, I guess. Got a water boom. Water park. I think we're almost at Discovery Mall here. Beard Papa's. Yeah, here it is. So we made it. Bamboo bar and grill. Water boom. And then this way to, it says beach this way. Huh. Maybe I've never been to the Discovery Mall. I think that other one that I was at. Okay, so we're gonna end up by the Discovery Mall. So Discovery Mall, and there's an ocean directly that way. Okay. Pretty cool. And we got some pretty cool artwork right here too. Hobby Mr. Funny's Mississippi. Pretty cool. Okay, we're on the other side of Discovery Mall. Yeah, you know, I think I saw them making, oh, there's a boardwalk there too. So they're expanding this quite a bit. So we just walked through. I think I do remember hearing about them that they were going to build this. Then there's the beach over there. Discovery Mall. Here's Discovery Mall. And it's new. There's a beach out there as well. Kuta Beach. Looks like they're still constructing it as well. So it looks like this is the access from the beach. So Discovery Mall. Let's go in and take a look. 10 to 10. 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Okay. Looks like there's still a lot of construction in here still. Let's just go straight ahead. Yeah, lots of construction still. Let me see. So let's go down this way and kind of see. So it looks like later they're going to have multiple levels. Lots of opening soon signs. Pretty good view of the beach right there. The ocean, you can see it right there. Yeah, during COVID I heard that they were gonna create this, and they looks like they basically got it going now. So okay, 69 Slam. I think that's Japanese. I've seen that other places too. Another one of these dancing ones. These are all some nice t-shirts in here. Take a look at that. Okay, so this is Discovery Mall. Okay, right here we're into the middle part, so we can see the depth of it. Looks like it goes up. There's an A&W right there too. Huh. I think there used to be an A&W in another location, and now it's in here. Okay. Discovery Mall. And it looks like we got other stuff downstairs too. Okay, so that's Discovery Mall in Kuta, Bali. Okay, Discovery Mall. So you got like bags, stuff down there, bags, luggage here, t-shirts, tourist stuff, more shirts. Fun zone up there. I saw an A&W somewhere. More vendors here. T-shirts, shirts, all kinds of stuff. Electronics. So I think I might call it an end for this one. I might just yep, there we go. Okay, we're gonna leave the mall. Oh, actually there's some pretty cool shirts there. This one looks really cool. So I thought I was gonna end it. Got something called Bread Talk, which I think I see in Hong Kong. Got Burger King over here. Some more stuff way down there on the other end. So I think this mall has a lot of potential to keep going. And there's a Burger King as well. So I'm gonna come out and come to an ending. Okay. Discovery Mall in Bali, Kuta. Let's go over here. I'm gonna check this out real quick. There's 5 guys, and this one says 5 monkeys. Huh. Never heard of this. Huh. also right next to Burger King as well. And we're gonna come on to the other side here. We got a KFC over here. So yeah, this is called Discovery Mall. Very cool. So let's end it right there.
Toma cuentos la voz